Creatinine is a waste product produced when muscles are used, and it's usually filtered out of the body by the kidneys through urine. However, if kidney function is impaired, creatinine can build up in the blood. High levels can also result from intense exercise, certain supplements or medications, and a high-protein diet. While elevated creatinine levels aren't always life-threatening, they can signal serious conditions like chronic kidney disease. It's important to diagnose and manage high creatinine levels, often through dietary changes. Read on as we explore high creatinine levels and foods that can help lower them. Symptoms and risk factors of high creatinine levels. In most cases, high levels of creatinine can indicate that one has kidney disease. A healthcare provider usually carries out urine and blood tests to detect if a person has an abnormal creatinine level. Specific symptoms can indicate that one needs to go for a creatinine test, such as fatigue, muscle cramps, nausea, eye puffiness, and swelling of the ankles. In addition to this, some risk factors can minimize the function of the kidney and put you at a higher risk of having high levels of creatinine. These factors include autoimmune diseases, bacterial infection affecting the kidney, diabetes, blocked urinary tract, thyroid disease, and high blood pressure. Foods to lower creatinine. 1. Garlic and onions. Garlic has long been used to treat various health issues, such as the common cold, high blood pressure, and heart disease. It also helps prevent dementia and protects the body from harmful free radicals. Similarly, onions are rich in antioxidants with anti-inflammatory properties that benefit heart health, regulate blood sugar, and boost bone density. Studies even suggest that onions may help reduce the risk of certain cancers, like gastric cancer. When consumed together, garlic and onions can help lower creatinine levels by protecting the kidneys from damage caused by free radicals. Since high blood pressure can contribute to kidney failure, onions are particularly beneficial for those with kidney conditions. 2. Carrots. Carrot is one notable vegetable that can reduce one's chances of developing kidney disease. It is an essential example of a healthy vegetable that is filled with fantastic nutrients. They are superfoods, versatile, and perfect for all kinds of meals and diet plans. They contain diverse nutrients like fiber, iron, beta-carotene, vitamin C, magnesium, and vitamin B6. Carrots are great for weight loss and have been linked to many health advantages, like better eye health, reduced cholesterol levels, and decreased cancer risk. 3. Cucumber. Cucumbers are beneficial for kidney health as they help cleanse the kidneys, remove toxins, and reduce kidney strain, improving their function. Rich in nutrients like magnesium, potassium, manganese, vitamin K, fiber, and vitamin C, cucumbers are also low in calories. With 96% water content, they are excellent for hydration, which supports kidney health and helps prevent kidney stones. Additionally, cucumbers can help keep the bladder free of debris. For maximum benefits, it's important to consume cucumbers with their peel to retain their full nutritional value. Other health benefits include aiding in weight loss, lowering blood sugar levels, and improving digestion. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries are referred to as a superfruit because of the numerous minerals and vitamins that they contain. They are awesomely low in calories and contain about 85% water. Blueberries contain anthocyanin, a potent antioxidant that can aid the alleviation of certain types of cancer, reduce cognitive decline, and combat diabetes. In addition, they are a perfect fruit to boost the functions of the kidney. A study by the National Kidney Foundation has established that blueberries are good for consumption when dealing with kidney disease and treatments. Blueberries can also be consumed to reduce gastrointestinal problems and alleviate urinary system infections. 5. Cauliflower. Another example of a food that lowers creatinine is cauliflower. Cauliflower contains distinct plant compounds that can aid the alleviation of different ailments like heart diseases and cancer. Cauliflower contains sulforaphane, an antioxidant studied and verified to be active against certain kinds of cancer, like prostate cancer. Cauliflower is good for the kidney and can help ensure that your kidney performs its functions, including the removal of creatinine from the body. 6. Apples. For decades, apples have been known to aid the prevention of constipation, combat heart disease, and decrease cholesterol. If your creatinine levels are high because of kidney disease, apples are relatively perfect for you as they contain anti-inflammatory compounds and generous amounts of pectin. pectin can help reduce the risk factors that might lead to kidney damage, such as spikes in cholesterol levels. In different studies, it has also been shown that pectin can aid in the treatment of kidney disease and can help decrease creatinine levels. 7. Fish. Fish is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which can help lower creatinine levels and offer numerous health benefits, such as reducing artery plaque, lowering triglycerides, and decreasing the risk of heart attack and abnormal heart rhythms. To help manage creatinine levels, consider consuming fish like tuna, salmon, sardines, lake trout, caviar, oysters, light tuna, and Atlantic mackerel. Additionally, other foods that support kidney function and help prevent creatinine buildup include strawberries, watermelon, broccoli, plums, cranberries, and white pasta. These foods can contribute to overall kidney health and better manage creatinine levels. High creatinine levels can signal serious health issues that require prompt attention and lifestyle changes. Beyond diet, reducing creatinine involves limiting alcohol, avoiding nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, staying well hydrated to support kidney function, and eliminating creatinine-containing supplements from your routine. If you discover that your creatinine levels are elevated, it's essential to adjust your lifestyle and focus on consuming foods that help lower creatinine.